Hi everyone, I thought I'd do something relevant today. Well, hopefully it's always slightly relevant. But now we've kind of got into the flow of sort of wearing masks when we get into a taxi or public transport at work. It might be quite helpful to have a few little pointers on what sort of makeup to wear. I have already done a mask film, but that was more for helping the people that are working in hospitals under all their PPE, and their skin was really breaking out. That's further down if you would like to listen to that, but this is more for sort of general day to day. Now this beautiful silk mask that I just put up to my face, it was actually a gift from Murad. They sent me this clarifying oil free water gel. Now the reason they produced this product is that they wanted to create a very lightweight, hydrating cream that's oil free, so it's great for combination skin, great for skin that gets very blocked. So it's perfect for using under a mask if you find that your skin is getting very sweaty, very oily and very congested. It's a very, very lightweight texture and it contains salicylic. Now this is not for my skin at all because, as you know, I bang on about it all the time that my skin is, you know, quite thirsty and dry. But if I was experiencing any kind of blocked skin, especially around this mask area, I might use that just around here, just to help that situation if I was wearing my mask every day. But if you've got oily combination skin, sensitive skin that is getting blocked, this might be worth looking into, and it feels really super light as well. So foundation is a bit of a no-no when wearing a mask. It just goes on your mask, it just makes your mask look dirty. It might cause your skin to be a little congested, and then the foundation doesn't sit well on your skin. So I've been just happy enough using my tinted moisturiser, my Click and Glow serum by James Reed. I've shown you that a few weeks ago. All over my skin, because that kind of just gives me like a 10 denier finish. It evens out the redness in my skin being pale. I'm going to show you a couple of products that have really, really worked for me, just to kind of give myself a bit of a glow. So in terms of concealer under here, I'm going to use a really kind of full coverage, non-budging concealer. And this is by It Cosmetics. It's called Bye Bye Under Eye. This shade is light. It's possibly a little too light for me, but it does kind of merge into my skin quite well. But as you know, I quite like a light concealer, sort of 2 to 3 shades lighter than my actual foundation colour. First of all, go in with an eye cream. Even if you've done all your skincare and your SPF and everything else, my favourite is Autocorrect by Sunday Riley. So just a little bit on here, and I love this because it feels super refreshing and it gives a little bit of radiance under my skin, i.e. a little bit of luminosity. I really hope my camera looks good on here. I've had such technical issues. Sometimes I just want to sit here and just chat away to you, but literally sometimes it takes me about half an hour to set up. I've got to sort myself out. I've got a new camera and I thought it'd be better, and it's actually just more annoying. You know those days? Oh, technology makes our life so easy, but also can drive you crazy. So calm. Anyway, so I've put quite a lot on. Now I wouldn't want to put my mask directly on that, especially being a silk mask, because that would be really gloopy and sticky. But trust me, it absorbs into my skin. So if you find that your concealer moves a lot, or your concealer makes your eyes look a little bit crepey, then that's a good trick. If you find that your skin is absolutely fine and balanced, then you can go straight in with a concealer like this. Now, if you haven't used this before, this is so punchy, and I mean it's got a lot of coverage. You literally probably just need the tiniest amount. This will last you forever. And I think it's also waterproof. Yes, it is waterproof. It's a full coverage, anti-aging, whatever, waterproof concealer. So I will first go in with my ring finger just to that area. See how bright that is? That I really want to lift. And remember, it's normally either side of your nose and probably down the side there. Remember, the mask comes up to here, so it's just really that eye area. I'm going to push in with a brush, and then I'll blend in with my fingers. Good. So having the eye cream under your eyes first gives a really beautiful slip when you push it in, and then you just use your magic fingers, your magic free tools, just to feather the edges and to create that nice, and I'm honestly, because I don't like to pull the skin under my eyes, I'm doing it so gently, just to create that nice highlight underneath your eye. Just really gently massage it in and then pull it across under your eyebrows. I did do a little bit of eyebrow this morning, before I started because I had a Zoom call and I thought, oh God, no, got to chuck something on. And then I just imagine that these are my normal brows, and of course they're not, are they? They're really annoying. Right, and I love the fact that it's super bright and I get that nice brightness just around the tear duct area where you would sometimes put like a pale gold or something to really brighten your eyes. That's a great trick if you're tired. But it's just nice for me to show you the contrast and how light I go, whereas most people would be like, oh no, pan dry, it's not going to look like that. But trust me, I know you do. Now, Max Factor, this is the shade 340. This is their Lipfinity range, and I'm going to be using it on my cheeks. It's a really beautiful, fresh nudie pink, and it looks just as pretty on the lips too, but I'll get to that in a second. I'm going to put my eyes and lips on first because I want it to really set in my skin. Now this is a long last touch-proof lipstick. It's probably one of the first of the formulas that came out. I'm just going to use a Beauty Pie brush just to blend the edges. But using Lipfinity on your cheeks makes it last. It allows the colour to last, just to give me that little bit of even, healthy skin, but it's not going to transfer on my mask. And any makeup artist will tell you when you're using long wear products and you've got them on the back of your hand, and you try and scrub them off, even with some proper oil eye makeup remover, you're like, I can't get this off. So it's a lovely way to add colour to your cheeks, and there's literally like 40 shades of this lipstick, liquid lipstick, but I just like the freshness because this is, you know, a barely there look, but come November, I'm really going to need this. And I've just found that this is the best way to keep a little bit of colour on my skin that doesn't transfer on my mask, that looks fresh and makes me look and feel a bit healthier. So that is going to set, and I'm going to go to my lips. Now a lot of people, including myself, would say, I don't like those lipsticks on my lips. It's a very Marmite product. Not just Max Factor ones, but a lot of liquid lipsticks that turn matte, that go matte. My trick with this for longevity and comfort is to use a lip balm first. I'm going to be using Lippy Balm by Drunk Elephant, simply because this doesn't irritate my lips. I've got very sensitive lips, so I can't have any sort of peppermint or essential oils or anything because they literally start peeling and irritating very quickly. And this one isn't too oily. So get a lip balm that doesn't irritate your lips and it's not too shiny, or just massage your favourite lip balm in. Lana Lips, the one that is not minty, is also a nice option. And this is packed full of their marula oil, which is an ingredient that goes through lots of their products and is really, really nourishing. So it leaves my lips soft, but it's not too slippy. And then I go in with the colour. So normally you would put this on a dry lip, or they would say put it on a dry lip, and then you put the balm over the top. So that gives you a matte finish, or it gives you kind of a balmy finish. But this gives you a nice shape to your lips that makes it much more comfortable because it doesn't shrink your lips. So really pretty wearable colour. Works on all skin tones. But the trick with the lip and cheek with a long wear lipstick is to make sure that you leave enough time before you put your mask on, because it's just the setting of this product, especially because I've added a little bit of hydration to my lip, that makes it last. I forgot to finish my sentence then, sorry, I was like la la la, just went into that nice dreamy world. Or that world where I'm looking at my lips going, oh God, I wish they were bigger. Never mind, let's not focus on that. Right, so yes, if I put a mask on now, I'd look ridiculous because what I've done is made my eyes look really small. That's what you mustn't do. So when you've got the mask, especially the sort of dark grey silk one that I have, if you don't do anything to your eyes, they're going to look really small. So you really need to bring them out. Now the best way to bring them out, I found this lovely duo. Now you don't have to use Guerlain products, but this is the Mad Eye collection by Guerlain, and I think they also have a mascara to go with it too. but I'm going to use a matte black eyeliner and the cream ombre double-ended stick, just because I love sticks and it's easy. Now, I want to have a lovely intensity to my eyes, but I don't want them to look heavily made up. I can't really wear liquid eyeliner as a flick, but I can definitely wear it to enhance the roots of my lashes. So there we are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the liner until my eye, I'll get a bit closer here, until my eye starts to go down, because I'm not having any lines on my face going down, or at least I'm not enhancing them. They're definitely going down, but I'm not going to enhance them. So this is nice and thin. Oh, you heard my tummy rumble then. I'm just going to use it right along there, and I'm almost painting. See, that's almost too high where I've gone there. Painting the lashes, the bed of my lashes. But as my eye goes down, I'm not going to take it any further. So it's almost just across the top. That's gone better, that side. And you can just lay. It's a lovely ink, it's a lovely applicator, I have to say. Lay the liner just there so it's amplifying and enhancing the shape of your eye, but it's not making you look really hoodie and heavy, which eyeliners can. And you can sort of look around without smudging because it's so close to the lashes. Now, I'm going to take a nice skinny cotton bud. I'm going to go over that line just to break up and soften the ink. I just don't like things that look sort of stuck on, and as you get older and your eyes move around, as you get older and the skin on your eyes just a little bit more flexible, then you have to make your products more flexible. But if you've got a very tight, youthful lid, you can kind of go for that nice structure. Good. Okay, so we're all on top. Now, the beauty of this is that I go in with a darker end. There's like a metallic, it's perfect for me. Nice dark end and a metallic side. And I'm taking that dark matte right into the lashes, right over where I've put that ink. And then I'm smudging it on the outside here. And I do that just because I want to kind of kick back that socket, and I'm going to blend it in a second. So I take the darkest end. Bobbi Brown does a similar colour like this in Bark. Beauty Pie do dark colours like this. You've seen me use all of those. This is just great because it's sort of double-ended. Oh no, that's really stupid, Caroline. I've picked up the wrong brush. I've put the one with the concealer on. Damn! One moment, viewers. Let me just lift off that concealer because it will make it look grey and we'll lose our lovely intensity. There we go. Let's push that back. See? And just push that back there. I don't want to go right into the socket and make it a whole kind of big eye look, because that's just not really what I want. So let me just soften this all in, all over the lid. Again, just getting rid of any hard shapes. And then we'll flip it round and we'll go into, what shade is this called? Is it called a shade of anything? And of course it's not. Ombre Cream Stick, Cream Shadow. Anyway, I'll link it below. And then I'm going to take the metallic and just blend that over the centre of my lid, just going into the socket. And that just means that the darker sides are still there, giving me that shape, but the metallic one just helps to push my lid back. And then again, I blend it with a nice brush. These are Beauty Pie brushes, and this is an eyeshadow base. Well, at least I'm using the right brush for the right thing. It's normally wrong. Right, so blending that out, and then the lip should be dry and touch proof. I'll try that in a second. Let me just finish off with mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the By Terry Lash Expert. Now, I just love this, and I'm not sure which order you're probably gonna get this one first before the mascara one, because I'm waiting for one more mascara. This I've shown you before. You get a nice long wand for lengthening, and then you get the twisty volumizing side for more length to your lashes. So we use the flat side first, right into the root of the lashes. And then if you find that too much, you can twist it round and feather the ends of the lashes. Because the bristles are twisted, it dilutes the mascara, just allowing the mascara to kind of be a little bit lighter on the tips. So I'm going to go back to the straight one. It's just a genius, a bit of packaging, isn't it? It's nice to have the option because actually the mascara brush can really dictate what our mascara looks like and how it's applied to our lashes. But of course all our lashes are different, right? So it's not an easy job. So twist the bottom and then I just feather out literally the top bit so it's not too heavy. And I think just because it's all about the eyes, I will just tip the mascara wand over the bottom ones. I need to dye these. I keep saying I need to do all these things and I'm not. Just do them, Caroline. Put them on your list and tick them off. Great, so I'm happy with that. Let me just do, yay, the trick. Lipstick stays put. But I just think that personally just gives me a little bit of shape to my little lips and a little bit of colour. So when I put my mask on, I know it's not going to transfer and my skin is all clean on the mask. And now you see the eyes with the dark mask and it just kind of balances it all out. So there's no excuse, ladies. We can all still enjoy our makeup. Just kind of search out those kind of long wear products. But a tinted moisturiser, good skincare, not too many actives. If your skin is really going, wah, you just got to bring it back down to basics and really kind of nurture the moisture barrier in your skin. Anyway, looking forward to seeing what you think below. I love, love, love all your comments. I'm so fortunate to have such a great tribe of women. Thank you very much and stay safe.